Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make Punjabi style Dum Aloo. In a pan, take adequate amount of oil. Once oil gets warm, add cumin, dry Kashmiri red chilies, bay leaf, stick of cinnamon, cardamom, clove and black pepper. Allow the dry masala to cook until it turns aromatic. Next is adding ginger and garlic paste and saute it for about a minute. Add onions and cook until onions become translucent. Add tomatoes and cook it for about 2 minutes. Once tomatoes become soft and mushy, it's time to add Indian spices. Add turmeric powder, coriander and cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and salt. Mix all the Indian spices and allow the masala to cook on low flame. To add a little more flavor, add Everest Kitchen King masala. Once all the masalas have cooked well, add cashew paste into it. Add little water if required, as cashew paste will make the gravy naturally thicker. Cover the pan and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Till the gravy is getting cooked, I have taken 10 to 12 boiled potatoes and I am poking it so that the gravy gets well absorbed into it. Additionally, you can also shallow fry the boiled potatoes after poking it. As you guys can see, the gravy is almost ready and now it's time to add boiled potatoes into it. Mix boiled potatoes with the gravy and allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium to low flame. Garnish it with freshly cut coriander leaves and our tasty Punjabi Dum Aloo is all ready to serve. Serve it with hot paratha and rice. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video. Guys, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, I have linked all the recipes in the description box. Do pop in and check them out. Thanks for watching.